Welcome back, guys. This is Shrikant. Today we are going to talk about comments. So, what is comments? Comments are something like for some extra information purpose. Sometimes we need to add some inline text so that when we come back after some time, we will go through that text and we can understand that okay, this is a block of code has been written for this purpose as or who modified this and what was the reason. All those things we can write in a code, but the things which we write with the comment part, those things are not valuable for the coding perspective. This is just for a information perspective. In Python we can have the comments. I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's go back to the last program which we have executed, or this is the one which we have written. So in this one we are having the some block of code. Okay, that's fine. Now what actually we are going to do, we are going to use some special symbol called as a hash, right? And let's see, I'm going to execute this code. I'm going to get some error. So to make it more clear, let's do one thing. Let's clear the console, and now let's run the code. Now I can see the name x is not defined, right? Why it is showing me like this? Because I have already specified x is equal to 5, and this is the variable which I already declared, right? But it should not show me this message. To fix it again, let's say I'm going to write x is equal to 5, and again going back and again executing the code and see some indentation issue. Okay, that's fine. So let's fix it and let's run the code. Now I can see the 5 is greater than 4. Okay, 5 is greater than 4, that's fine. But if I again hit remove and I can again run the code, I can see the error x is not defined. So basically the code is available here, but code is committed. Now I'm removing this and just executing the code. Now you will see here what will happen. You will see here the is showing output 5 is greater than 4, right? So the thing is that if you want to add some extra comment or extra text, for example, I'm specifying this is just for understanding, right? And let's execute the code. Let's see what will happen. We won't get any error, we'll get the output as expected. So comment is very important, that's why we are talking about it. And this is very simple concept, and I think you guys got it. And thanks for watching our video. If you really like our video, please don't forget to share and subscribe with your friend. And if you want to learn more about SQL, just come back and watch our SQL playlist. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.